Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. During COVID, we set up a street WhatsApp group chat for everyone living in my road. And it's still going, and it's a useful way for us to find out the news from the street. Maybe sometimes people need help with things or people are giving things away. Recently on the group chat, one of the main topics of conversation has been about some particularly noisy new neighbours who've moved into an upstairs flat about 15 doors down from me. This morning I ran into the downstairs neighbour, who I know quite well, and I asked him how it was going, how he was coping with the super noisy neighbours upstairs. He looked very frustrated. He took a deep breath and said, I've had countless run-ins with them. It's the same shit day in, day out. If you say something happens or something is done day in, day out, you mean it happens a lot over a long extended period of time. And we usually use it to talk about boring or annoying or frustrating things. So maybe if you're having problems with your partner or a colleague or one of your children, at some point you might lose it and say, God, I'm so sick of having the same conversations day in, day out. If you're not enjoying your job very much, you might complain to friends that you have to do the same old boring stuff at work day in, day out. I was talking to a Ukrainian friend of mine recently who's in one of the towns quite near the front line, and she was complaining, saying, it's just been relentless up here. They've been shelling us day in, day out. And in the same way, I have a neighbour of mine who's a bit of a fitness freak, and he's one of those guys that you see out jogging whatever the weather. You know, in the summer, I understand it. It's nice to go outside for a run. But when it's pouring down with rain or when there's sleet or snow or whatever, he's still out there, pounding the streets, day in, day out. If you've enjoyed this video, please do share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. Please click the like button. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use day in, day out.